Wait, come here. Ready for the big buck? Wait, come here. Wait. Stand right there, alright? Oh, my elbow. A little bit low. Come here. Gabriel, come here. Come back here. Come back here. Come here. Come here. Just come here now. Come here. Come here. I can't have you stand in front of me when I shoot. Alright, hold up now. Stand still. Wait, come here. One more. See if we see this Burt Coyote Lumenok work. Now let's see. Come on. Careful. Oh yeah, that's a broadhead on it. Retard. Look at them are good. Easy with your eyes. Don't walk into it and bust your eye out. Stick it in there. Are you putting one in there too? There you go. That one's lit up. Look at it.